Okay, so this is the last page of the test. The next page will be challenge. I encourage everyone to at least try it, okay? You don't lose any credit for trying it and not getting it right. Okay, so let's go over question 9. Shade each grid to help you write the following fractions as decimal. So you need to do two things. So you see 3/10, you need to shade in the value of 3/10 and then write it as a decimal. Next, 20 hundredths, you need to shade in 20 hundredths and you also need to write that as a decimal. And lastly, for number 9, this says 90 hundredths. You need to shade in 90 hundredths and then write that as a decimal. Okay, next one is slightly different. This time on number 10, 11, and 12, they do the shading. And they're saying, well, boys and girls, you need to tell me what this amount is in decimal form and in fraction form. Look at the amount, decimal form, fraction form. Number 12, look at how much is shaded, and then fill in the decimal and the fraction form. Okay, greater than, less than, or equal to. If some of you want to fill in your zeros, please do so now. Okay, almost knocked the camera down. All right, let me just fill in my last one and then I will put the camera out a little. So some of you, it's much easier for your brain when you're looking at the decimals with an added zero. Okay, so greater than, less than, or equal to. The last one, feel free to use your paper ruler. I don't think you're going to really need to. I don't know, maybe. So this column is centimeters. They want to know how many millimeters that would equal. So if you had 5 centimeters, how many millimeters? And so on. Okay, so I just went over the directions for the last page of your test. Why don't you now answer 9 through 16, and then you can watch my next video for the challenge.